Hi everybody, Divya Pandit here. So here we start with our next reading, that is Taurus. So first of all those people who are watching this video, happy Diwali and a prosperous new year. Have a super duper Diwali, and all the bad things, please let them go behind. All the baggage, start new beautiful energy, new year coming in a very beautiful way. Okay, so let's see what we have in November for Taurus. Taurus, November 2021. What do we have? Okay. Taurus wants to control. Actually, Taurus, you are totally in control of your energy right now. You are looking at a lot of changes in your life. But something that I need to tell you, Taurus, is what is behind is behind. What is a past is past. Somewhere you're still feeling bad about things that happened in the past, okay? Still talking about it, still holding on to it. You need to release your past, because otherwise you won't be able to move forward. So the first week of November, Taurus, there's a lot of movement, a lot of things that you've been doing up till now, a lot of work. There is a lot of positive energy over there, a lot of movement in your work. Okay, maybe a lot of victory in a lot of things that you're doing. Maybe you started a project or you're doing a project, so that is going to be successful. Okay, and second week is getting you a lot of blessings. That's how I feel. A lot of blessings coming to you, a lot of healing coming to you, a lot of things that you have wished for coming to you. In the second week, also, I feel if people who are looking at the distance, like going abroad or doing business on outside countries, that is also very good. A lot of healing, blessing, a lot of grounded energy is in the second week. Now third week. Third week is a little tricky because you might feel a little disappointment, okay, when it comes to the emotional relationship area. It's two things. Either you're going to feel disappointed where you're not even looking at the emotional side of your life. And the other thing is you might travel. You might travel for work. People who want to go abroad to study, things might open up for you all. Okay. I think being in a little aggressive mode, Taurus, that's what you are in the third week. You might have an argument, or you might say something, or somebody might say something to you, that kind of energy, and that is why you're not looking at the emotional side, because you're going to feel very okay, enough, that kind of a thing. The fourth week, I feel that you'll be in your own mind. Too much of thinking, too much of clouding of thoughts, too much of confusion, too many options in front of you, so you don't know where to go, whether I choose this or that. So the whole week is going to go in that confusion, in that illusion, that in your mind, maybe a lot of dreams coming, a lot of things going on around you. So you're going to take a back step, and you're going to think, you're going to be totally in your mind, thinking, I want to do this and that, and there's a lot of confusion. So basically all into your mind in the last week. You're not going to do anything else, but you're going to be inside of you, in your head. Reason is basically you will go through some kind of emotional up and down that will make you go into this state of mind, Taurus. So please be careful. Be careful in the fourth week, because you might trigger some kind of depression or anxiety in the last week because of the situation that is going around. And also there's a lot of fighting work, a lot of argument in the third week. So that could be the fourth week, could be the reaction of the third week. Okay, so first week there's victory in work. Second week, a lot of healing opportunities, distant business, everything is coming to you. Third week, people who want to travel for studies, work abroad, fine. But when it comes to everything else, it's be careful with. There's a lot of argument, fighting could happen. And the fourth week, like I said, will be confusion in your mind, feeling low, maybe anxiety. So after seeing this video, please do a lot of grounding. Lie down on your stomach and draw energy from Mother Earth. That is the best thing to do. Okay? Or just take a walk in the park, be in the green, lot of green energy. And if you're experiencing a lot of anxiety, just take a smoky quartz and keep it in your near your heart chakra and feel the energy. That also helps. Okay? Releasing all your toxins to Mother Earth is the best thing, because that is the only thing that helps in your anxiety issues. Yeah. So let's see what we have in relationship for you, Taurus. Okay, relationship, Taurus. Okay, that card flew out. I just randomly throw relationship cards. So, okay. I feel that you are confused also. Again, confusion has come. You are looking at two options in your life, Taurus. Should I take this one or that one? Should I go to the old person or should I go with a new relationship? There are two people in your life, two paths are in front of you. Or maybe if there are not two people, then possibly one path will be the path of being to yourself. Okay, you are observing what is happening, people's behavior, change in behavior and everything, whether I should trust this person or no. Basically, I feel you need to detach from the old negative toxic energy that you were in. Okay, and trust your intuition, your third eye. You need to see the truth, Taurus. See, the truth is right in front of you, and if you're not ready to acknowledge that, then it's not going to be good, because if you're denying that person loves you, or you're denying that you love that person, or that relationship needs to heal, it's not going to work out. The person you want to be with, one of the options, you need to reach out to that person. Okay, you need to reach out, or maybe you need to reach out to yourself. Sometimes we need help also, right? And I feel you're going to rebuild a relationship with someone. So it could be that the old person from the past, or maybe the person you are with, you need to rebuild that. Okay, rebuild your own emotions, make the choice, or you're going to rebuild within yourself a new energy so that you can move on. It could be either or. Okay, definitely this relationship that is coming to you in November is one of the most beautiful and unconditional ones. But this person is also going to be a best friend, let me tell you. And there's a lot of love. And well-deserved reward means somewhere you've been waiting to be with this person. That is the person you're going to choose out of the choice. So you've been waiting to be with this person, and it's going to be a beautiful relationship, Taurus. Beautiful one. Okay, so let's see what fairies have for you in the month of November. Journey. I think journey is a card for November. It's time to prepare for a journey. So Taurus, I think maybe you will travel for your work or love. Like a travel card came also, people who want to study abroad. Or this journey is journey within yourself. Your own journey, you need to heal yourself so that you come into union with the right person and take the right opportunities in life. Right? That's a beautiful message from fairies, and that's all. Have a super duper duper Diwali. Be healthy, take care, be positive. Call me for paid appointments only, email me for paid appointments only, and follow me on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook, and share this video with your family and friends. That's all for today. Goodbye, God bless, bye bye. Bye bye.